Doors, windows, and interior. The most common problem that homeowners experience is water intrusion in the form of outside water penetration and plumbing leaks. Inside the house, a home inspector should look for signs of water intrusion or material deterioration that may indicate underlying problems in the structural, electrical, plumbing, or HVAC system. Consider getting trained and certified in the application of infrared thermography because thermal imaging is an excellent tool to use in the search for water intrusion. You can become infrared certified and see those requirements at www.nachi.org/certifications. Look for the infrared certification seal. According to the standards of practice, the inspector shall inspect a representative number of doors and windows by opening and closing them, floors, walls, and ceilings, stairs, steps, landings, stairways, and ramps, railings, guards, and handrails, and garage vehicle doors and the operation of garage vehicle door openers using normal operating controls. The inspector shall describe a garage vehicle door as manually operated or installed with a garage door opener. The inspector shall report as in need of correction improper spacing between intermediate balusters, spindles, and rails for steps, stairways, guards, and railings, photoelectric safety sensors that did not operate properly, and any window that was obviously fogged or displayed other evidence of broken seals. Windows and doors. Home inspectors open and close windows and doors, but not all of them. Only a representative number of windows and doors are required to be opened and closed. So it's possible that a window has a defect, but it won't appear in the inspection report. Why? It's because a defect must be both observed and deemed, or considered to be, a defect in order for it to be documented. If a home inspector doesn't see a defect, it's not going to be in the report. A home inspector is required to report as in need of correction when a window is fogged. Some home inspectors will open one window in each bedroom, including some window features such as the tilt-in sash. Floors, walls, and ceilings. Check the general condition of all surfaces and remember that cosmetic imperfections are not part of a home inspection. A home inspection is not a wood-destroying organism inspection, but many home inspectors will report upon observed damage even if it's apparently damaged by an insect. A home inspector may take inspection images in order to help document the observed condition of the interior at the time of the inspection. Stairs. Stairways are one of the most hazardous areas of the home, and stair falls are often fatal. We recommend that you go over the standards and requirements of a stairway and ramp in detail prior to going on an inspection. You should be trained enough to be able to recognize defects and report them concisely. To help you gain knowledge in inspecting stairs, steps, landings, stairways and ramps, railings, guards, and handrails, take the free online How to Inspect Attic Insulation, Ventilation, and Interior course, particularly the chapter on egress and stairs. A few common things to look for during a home inspection are that the minimum riser height is 4 inches, the maximum is 7 3/4 inches, and the minimum tread depth is 10 inches. Open risers should not allow the passage of a sphere 4 inches in diameter on stairs with a total rise of 30 inches or less. The size of the open riser is not limited. The triangular area formed by a tread, riser, and guard should not allow passage of a sphere 6 inches in diameter. The opening at guards on the sides of stair treads should not allow the passage of a sphere 4 3/8 inches in diameter. Garage doors. If you find or observe a problematic situation with the door, you should notify the homeowner and occupants immediately and recommend that they contact a trained door systems technician for a consultation. The garage door is typically the largest moving object in the house, and many of its components are under high tension. Improper installation or maintenance of a garage door can create a hazardous condition that can cause serious injury or even death. InterNACHI has a step-by-step checklist for inspecting a garage door opener. It is located within the free online How to Inspect the Attic Insulation, Ventilation, and Interior course. Standing inside the garage but safely away from the path of the door, Use the remote control or wall button to close the garage door. As the door is closing, wave an object in the path of the photoelectric I-beam, such as a 2x4. The door should be automatically reversed. Some inspectors wave their foot in the path, but be careful. Be safe. Structural. Wall and ceiling cracks are usually caused by building settlement, deflection, warping of wood structural elements, or small seasonal movements of building components due to temperature and humidity variations. Seasonal movements will make some cracks regularly open and close. These may be filled with a flexible, paintable sealant, but otherwise cannot be effectively repaired. Cracks due to settlement, deflection, or warping can be repaired if movement has stopped, and is often the case. Large wall and ceiling cracks may indicate structural problems. Homeowners often find nail popping, joint cracks, and other signs of minor cosmetic issues, such as rust stains at fasteners and corner beads. Home inspectors should check the condition of doors and door frames, including the interior of entrance doors and storm doors. Check hardware for finish, wear, and proper functioning. Sticking doors or out-of-square frames may indicate house settlement, but remember, a home inspector is not a structural engineer. A home inspector does not provide any engineering or architectural service. According to the standards of practice, the inspector is not required to A. Inspect paint, wallpaper, window treatments, or finish treatments. B. Inspect floor coverings or carpeting. C. Inspect central vacuum systems. D. Inspect for safety glazing. E. Inspect security systems or components. F. Evaluate the fastening of islands, countertops, cabinets, sink tops, or fixtures. G. Move furniture, stored items, or any coverings such as carpet or rugs in order to inspect the concealed floor structure. H. Move suspended ceiling tiles. I. Inspect or move any household appliances. J. Inspect or operate equipment housed in the garage except as otherwise noted. K. Verify or certify the proper operation of any pressure-activated auto reverse or related safety feature of a garage door. L. Operate or evaluate any security bar release and opening mechanisms, whether interior or exterior, including their compliance with local, state, or federal standards. M. Operate any system, appliance, or component that requires the use of special keys, codes, combinations, or devices. N. Operate or evaluate self-cleaning oven cycles, tilt guards, latches, or signal lights. O. Inspect microwave ovens or test leakage from microwave ovens. P. Operate or examine any sauna, steam-generating equipment, kiln, toaster, ice maker, coffee maker, can opener, bread warmer, blender, instant hot water dispenser, or other small ancillary appliances or devices. Q. Inspect elevators. R. Inspect remote controls. S. Inspect appliances. T. Inspect items not permanently installed. U. Discover firewall compromises. V. Inspect pools, spas, or fountains. W. Determine the adequacy of whirlpool or spa jets, water force, or bubble effects. And X. Determine the structural integrity or leakage of pools and spas. Again, the home inspector is not required to do any of these things.